Good morning, Slayers. I'm going to show you how I used to juice an orange coming up. First, you're going to start out by rolling the orange. Get them juices broken up in membrane. And then you're going to clean it off, of course. You want to keep it nice and clean before you start to use it. Then you're going to take a knife. Now, I'm using a plastic knife, but you can use a real knife. But for the safety of, others, especially the kids, we're going to use this knife. We're going to just punch the inside of the flesh of the orange to get the juices loosened up and flowing, so we can get all that good juice out. Or you just make a hole in the top of the orange and just go around and around. You can feel it as you're breaking it up. You don't want to puncture the outside of the orange so the juice will fall out. Then you're just going to press it. And then again, voila. That's what you're going to do. You're going to get that good old juice out of there. So good. The next, this is the best part of it, the end of it, is where you're just going to peel it open, pull it open, peel it. Or either you just going to bite the inside of the flesh off of the orange. Y'all, it's so good and tasty. And that's how I did it. That's the old school juicing. Y'all stay happy and y'all stay full. Love y'all. Bye.